If you want to put over $4,000 a year back in your pocket, then stop paying those high Airbnb management and co-host fees. Give me 60 seconds to show you how. Here's the problem with Airbnb, the #1 issue cutting into your Airbnb profits and success. Let's face it, it's the high management and co-host fees, lack of routine property inspections, slow response communication that frustrates your guests, costly maintenance repairs, non-stop emergency house visits. Okay, wait, there's a solution. SUPERHOST Vacation, where excellence meets affordability in Airbnb property management. We're not just property managers, we're your neighbors. Locally based in the heart of Orlando, Florida, our white glove service ensures your property is not just managed, but elevated to its fullest potential. At SUPERHOST Vacation, we don't just meet expectations, we exceed them. And here's the best part, we offer the lowest management fees in the world, because your success shouldn't come with a hefty price tag or break the bank. So what can you expect with SUPERHOST Vacation? Let's see. Expect every cleaning to be a deep cleaning. Weekly property inspections with touch-up paint and pressure washing included. Airbnb listing optimization with 4K photography. Bath essentials like towels, shampoo, and soap are all included. Our team specializes in negative review removal and damage claim recovery. We've got it all covered and take pride in our consistent 5-star reviews. Recognized by Airbnb as the leader in Central Florida for the top-notch service we provide our guests and homeowners. Get your free management quote today. SUPERHOST Vacation, where local expertise meets global success. Your property, our passion. Your success is our commitment. Excellence has never been this affordable. SUPERHOST Vacation, providing the world with vacations.
Listen when I tell you I've worked with all the management companies in Central Florida and they nickel and dime you for every little thing. It's outrageous the fees they charge people. But I was referred to SUPERHOST Vacation and I can honestly say that the company has saved me so much money and has helped my Airbnb business tremendously. I am so thankful to work with them. Thank you, SUPERHOST.
Hey everybody, I recently switched to SUPERHOST Vacation to manage my Airbnbs down there in Orlando, and all I can tell you is their service is absolutely phenomenal. I mean, this company should be really charging a whole lot more for what they provide Airbnb hosts, but I'm going to tell you what, I'm extremely happy with the monthly revenue, and I'm so glad that I found them, and I would recommend them to anybody out there.
Quick video about our amazing Airbnb co-host, SUPERHOST Vacation. This property management company has been a game changer for us. The only negative thing is your property has to qualify for them to provide their service, but they truly handle everything, including cleanings and house repairs. They also take care of the little things like touch-up paint, changing batteries in the remote, and emergency house calls. It's amazing. They are the reason we have the top 2 rated Airbnbs in Kissimmee. Thank you so much, SUPERHOST.
SUPERHOST Vacation, thank you so much for your help, your expertise, your creativity, your suggestions, and your feedback on different scenarios. This has been a great, fun opportunity to work with you. I had no idea how to get started, and you've taken my rental properties to the next level. I can't believe I was paying almost 30% in management fees and getting nowhere near the value you bring to the table. You came in and turned things around. Thank you, SUPERHOST.
I needed a dependable management team for my Airbnbs in Kissimmee, Florida. Searching online, I found SUPERHOST Vacation, and they exceeded my expectations from start to finish. My calendar is always booked, so as promised, I want to give a big thank you to SUPERHOST Vacation. They are very knowledgeable about the travel industry. They have earned my trust, and I hope we can continue services for the long term. Thank you, SUPERHOST.
We've had so many issues and complaints with our Airbnb properties. You know, we almost quit the business, and then we were referred to SUPERHOST Vacation. We can tell there's a big difference in the quality of guests. It's greatly improved, and our reviews are always 5 stars. The #1 thing that I can say about SUPERHOST Vacation is they're gonna get the job done the right way, and they're not gonna go home until it's completely done.
So we have this 4-bedroom property in Story Lake community of Kissimmee, and after many property management companies over-promising and under-delivering, we decided to go with a smaller local company, someone that actually lived in the community property and was hands-on. SUPERHOST Vacation has saved me so much money in unnecessary fees that the previous management company was basically stealing from me. Keep the 5-star reviews coming. Thank you.
Just talking about my SUPERHOST vacation experience. So yeah, it has really helped me. It has transformed my family's short-term rental business. It's there in Florida, and not only they are like professional at managing, they also helped my family purchasing the house. Their expertise in property management, our Airbnb listings, like we get consistent 5-star reviews for cleanliness, fun amenities in the community. Yeah, SUPERHOST Vacations, it just what I would say, it maximized our property's potential, like leaving me stress-free of rental management responsibilities. I don't care much about it now. So if you are seeking a specialized, like result-driven property management partner, make a switch to SUPERHOST Vacations. Basically, you can try it out because I really liked it. So yeah, thank you, SUPERHOST Vacations.